Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving, this guide will walk you through the latest steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kraken. Log into your Exmo account and head over to the Wallets or Balance section. Here, you'll see your XRP holdings. Now, navigate to the Withdraw or Send option for XRP. It's crucial to double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Next, you'll need your Kraken wallet address. Hop over to your Kraken account, go to the Funding or Deposit section, and copy the XRP deposit address. Remember, XRP often requires a destination tag or memo for the transaction to go through correctly, so note that down too. Back on Exmo, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form, add the destination tag if needed, and enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transfer completes. Before you hit confirm, review all the details one more time. Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to verify this via email or two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Kraken account under the Deposit History to confirm the XRP has arrived. If anything goes wrong, reach out to the exchange's support teams quickly. There you have it, folks. Sending XRP from Exmo to Kraken doesn't have to be complicated. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.